YouTube stacking community, the stacking nerd here today with an unboxing from PitBullion. Wherever you're watching this from and whenever you're watching this, I hope that you're having a great day. I am very excited about this unboxing. This is my very first purchase from PitBullion or any of the members of the Metals Mafia. If you do not know who PitBullion is or who the Metals Mafia are, they are an incredibly talented group of silver pourers here on YouTube. They are also very active on Steemit. They operate their own Discord chat and they have their own forums. And on Saturdays, they usually have a live stream where you can watch these pieces actually being made. I will leave a link to PitBullion's website, his channel, and their forums in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get into this. Here's my invoice, and here we go. All right, really careful here. All right, I didn't quite cut through it, but there we go. All right. Here are the 3 pieces that I picked up. Each item comes in its own individual bag with a certificate of authenticity. The first piece we're going to look at is a vintage style poured bar. This is the Slacker Stacker channel bar. It is 2 troy ounces, 3/9 fine silver. There is his logo very clearly stamped on the front. If you flip it over, you can see these beautiful pour lines by PitBullion. It is a lovely chunky piece. Slacker Stacker is one of the YouTubers I count among my friends here. He has amassed a very nice collection of poured silver and pieces from the Metals Mafia, so he's kind of a bad influence on me. I'm just kidding. He's a fantastic person, and I highly encourage you to go over and check out his channel. There will be a link to his channel in the description down below. The next piece is a Hylian shield from the Legend of Zelda series. This is a must-have for any gaming fan or nerd such as myself. Take a look at how beautifully detailed this piece is. It is 2 troy ounces. It is a lovely chunky little piece. Just take a look at this. And on the back you have the PitBullion logo. 2 troy ounces, 3/9 fine silver, and check out the pour lines on this piece. Absolutely fantastic piece to have. And the very last item I have here is from the bear. Here's its certificate of authenticity signed by the bear. It is 0.9 troy ounces. This is a battle axe. And check this out. What a fantastically detailed piece. I will leave a link to Bear's channel in the description down below. He has made many beautiful pieces, including the very popular Lucille bat from the Walking Dead series, which I am very happy to say that I logged into the Discord for the Metals Mafia and ordered my very own, so I'm so excited to own one of these pieces myself in the future. But look at this axe, the detail. It is 3D. Definitely a gorgeous piece. I was able to purchase this from PitBullion's website. There's also a few other bear pieces that I encourage you to take a look at. And there we have it. This is my unboxing from PitBullion. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day, a prosperous week, and I will talk to you later.